Hey guys, I am Dan and today let's take a look at our transforming animal toys. First one, let's see what we have. We have a hippopotamus. That is so cute. I'm gonna place it right over here. And the next one, we have a T-Rex, an apex predator, a dinosaur. And here we have a white tiger that can be transformed into a robot. Okay. Next, we have a black and white dinosaur, not a dinosaur, animal, I beg your pardon. And it is a zebra. Do you guys know that zebras can actually sleep when they are standing up? That is a superpower. Are you able to sleep when you're standing up? Next, we have a brown bear. Looks like a very cute and cuddly bear, but I'm pretty sure it is not. It is going to be ferocious. Next, we have a dinosaur which is orange in color. I'm not too sure whether this dinosaur is actually orange in color in real life, but let's have a look at what dinosaur this is. It is a Pachycephalosaurus. Nice. And here we have a lion. So I'm gonna transform this lion into an egg to show you. So this is really cute and adorable. Next, we have another dinosaur. It is a Brachiosaurus. This is a nice one. It can be transformed into an egg, of course. Let's transform it into an egg to show you. This is really cute. A Brachiosaurus. Here we have another lion. You can actually see part of the robotic arms. Very cool. And this is a Stegosaurus. Oh, it is missing a leg. Alright. Next, we have... what is this? It's probably a leopard or a jaguar. I don't think it's a cheetah. It's definitely a leopard or a jaguar. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, okay? We're gonna move on to the next one, which is an elephant. Yes, this is cute. Very cute. And a blue dino. What is this blue dino? Oh, it is 100% a Triceratops. It has 3 horns, as you guys can see. Beautiful. Next, we have another Triceratops. This one, you can actually press it and it will move. How cool is that? Here we have another Stegosaurus. So Stegosaurus, it has a lot of plates on top of its body, and the plates can actually be used as a body temperature regulating factor. Alright, next we have a Pteranodon. Nice. Okay, the next one we have a giraffe. Okay, a very nice giraffe. A long neck giraffe. The tail can also be moved. That is so cute. Next, we are going to take a look at a smaller one. What is this? A prehistoric wildcat. It's known as a Smilodon. Here we have a walking T-Rex. It's a really cute one. A panda, a giant panda. We have another tiger. This time, it is an orange colored tiger, not a white tiger. It's a Triceratops. And not a Triceratops. We have so many Triceratops. We can basically build a hood of Triceratops. This is a huge rhino. Very, very beautiful. I like that. And here we have another tiger. Let's transform this tiger into an egg. And actually close its tail. We have a bald eagle. Let's extend its legs until we have an Apatosaurus. And this Apatosaurus is known as Arlo. Another prehistoric flying reptile known as a pteranodon. Very cool. And this one seems to be a cheetah. I'm not exactly sure. I think it's cheetah. A brachiosaurus. Nice. Here's another brachiosaurus. We have so many different color variations of brachiosaurus. This is a brown brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus is known as the armed lizard. And here we have a T-Rex. A nice T-Rex. Right here. Okay. Let's see what else we've got in the box. This is a Styracosaurus. Nice. This is a Caryptosaurus. Beautiful Caryptosaurus. Let's see what else we have in the box. This dinosaur right here, I think it is a Scelidosaurus. It does look a little bit like an Ankylosaurus, but it doesn't have a club at the end of the tail, so it's not an Ankylosaurus. So this one could be a Scelidosaurus. Okay, let's transform this. This is either a Velociraptor or a Troodon. Yeah, it could be a Troodon. Spinosaurus. A walking Spinosaurus. You can see its jaw, its mouth will actually open and close as it walks. Nice. The next one. This is a prehistoric animal known as Rhinoceros. You can actually transform its tail out. A pretty cool one. You can close it right back. It's pretty high quality as well. Oh, this is actually one of my favorite Spinosaurus. I remember this figure. I love the colors. I think the colors are quite beautiful. Get the neck out. That's really nice. I like that. And here we have another Triceratops. A blue colored Triceratops. What about this one? Seems to be another T-Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex. A green Tyrannosaurus Rex. Yet another Scelidosaurus, so I won't transform this. Let me just quickly show you guys the head of this. So this is basically another Scelidosaurus. This one, let's see what it is. I can't remember. Oh, it's an Allosaurus. Yes, I do know it doesn't really look like an Allosaurus, but it is an Allosaurus. It's kind of nice. Allosaurus is known as the different lizard. This one seems to be a Triceratops, but it's actually not, because it only has like one horn right here, and this one doesn't seem to be two horns, so it could be, I'm not sure about this one, guys. It could be the Chasmosaurus. It could be another Arlo, you know, Arlo the Apatosaurus from the Disney Dinosaur. So this is another one that got two similar figures. This one, I think it's the Iguanodon. So you can get all the legs out. It's kind of cute. A pink colored Iguanodon. This is an Archaeopteryx. I'm not too sure. I think so. It is basically a prehistoric bird. It could be an Archaeopteryx, or it could be, you know, sometimes it could be like a Microraptor. Yeah, it's nice. It's a nice one. We are down to our last few. I think this is the Megacerops as well. We've got a couple of similar ones. So yep, this is the Megacerops. It has a very cute little tail. And this one right here is our one and only. Oh my goodness, it keeps coming off. It's pretty poor quality in terms of the material, and it's missing one of its flipper. It's an Elasmosaurus or Plesiosaurus, I think. Oh, the flipper is right here. So, but it's kind of flimsy. It falls off very, very easily. It's not of the highest quality for sure. And here's a T-Rex. I think this is another Iguanodon again. Yep, same Iguanodon. We're down to our last one, I think. This is Stegosaurus. Nice. Okay. Let's see whether there are more. So we have finished. Thanks for watching this. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite animal, which one is your favorite dinosaur, and I'll see you guys in the next video.